Asher fell asleep at the kitchen table. He was waiting for his ramen noodles to cook for dinner tonight. And he just couldn't make it to dinner. My poor baby.